Hello friends, this is Ravi here, and this is 2 minute series to explain how I develop the SQL server, or how I architect SQL server database which is secure. And this is a one way. I guess it is not one of the many ways, but let's crack on. And this is my architecture. I would like to explain what exactly I did and how I did, and this is how it can be secure, and thus it will help. This is not a silver bullet for the any solution, but this is a solution which help people to solve the critical problem, particularly with the encryption, in a database encryption, and prevent them and make compliance. So my approach is as simple as, here you can see that there is a database A where which has got um, all the sensitive information hold, and that informations are in a database layer, which is the distributed database layer, and it need to be encrypted. But then how you encrypt it? You can't encrypt it directly, so there is a way to do it. Then there is a database, another B database, which has got transaction table and the log table. In transaction and log tables, which only be accessible through this Sprock, only Sprock has got access to these tables. And then this table have a two Sprock, one is the read and one is the write. Sprock is basically a store procedure, and that will return the data. Whenever the request comes to read, it will go through the transaction and trying to find out, okay, what is my token, or has been passed over here, what operation is required. And then it goes there, which has encryption information, and then it fetch the information and says, okay, data is for here, and then it will fetch the data and say, okay, I need to fetch this record, and it has got this information, and it has a token ID of this one, that sort of a thing. And it will give that data set to the whatever the request, which is a microservice, which is separate by data access service, which is a DML or DDL, the data access layer, or data whatever the logic, and microservice then again as an access point for the UI or any consumer UI. And same thing with the write order. So if you have a data coming from the from or any form of that one, or just another thing, it object is serialized to that one, and it asks for the Sprock, and the Sprock has only access how to write it. Before it write it, it goes and create a record for encryption and token, which has been mentioned over here, and it has operation there, and add the entry in a log, and also pass it that once it encrypted data, and then pass it on to server, and fetch, put it in a record set, and thus it will generate all the record complete and pass it either. If anything fails, it will give a failure or success, and so on. That's how I have developed, and this is the way it to be developed. Thank you.